Have you ever wondered how canned tomatoes are made? Today, we'll show you the full journey, from fresh tomatoes on the farm to the can you open at home. Tomatoes are harvested at the perfect time when they're red and ripe, then quickly transported to the factory. At the factory, tomatoes are sorted and washed with powerful water jets to remove dust and damaged pieces. The tomatoes pass through hot steam, which loosens the skin, allowing machines to peel them gently and cleanly. After peeling, tomatoes are cut, crushed, or left whole, depending on whether they will become puree or diced. Fast machines fill each can with the tomato mix, then add juice or sauce to keep the tomatoes flavorful. Strong metal lids seal the cans tightly, protecting the tomatoes from air, bacteria, and contamination. The sealed cans enter steam chambers, where high heat sterilizes them, making the tomatoes last for months. After sterilization, the cans are cooled, then labeled with the brand, ingredients, and expiration date. Discover the full journey of canned tomatoes, from farm harvest to factory processing and labeling. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.